All right, we got to get in here. Haven't been in here for a while. And turn it to the right. Uh-oh. Now I got to get the jumper cables. Always something. This one comes up. This one just slides open. And there's my battery. Yeah, good morning. Ran into a little problem this morning on the battery for the Sany. Nothing a little jump start can't fix. Black to black. Red to red. Give it a go. And just like that, we got power. I'll let this thing run for a while. Get my truck out of here. There we go. Today we gotta weed this garden. It has just gotten overgrown with all the rain that we've had. It's just been horrific amount of rain. And then the sun came out, and you know what happens, it just goes, grasses especially. But here's what we got. We got to get into here, churn this up so it looks more like this over here. Over here I planted a few items. Nothing coming up yet. Oh, right here we go. Here's a row. You can just see the row coming through here. These are cosmos. And then this one here, that's a little browner. These are zinnias, but nothing coming up yet. Grass on the edges. Don't need that. And then over here I have sunflowers. Nothing coming up yet. But we got to get into here. Let's figure that out. Oh, I wanted to show you these over here while we're waiting for this to warm up a little bit. I was at my wife's sister in Minnesota a couple weeks ago, and they were growing these foxgloves. They planted them. They went to the store and bought foxglove digitalis, and you know, I got them just coming up everywhere. They're all over. We kind of view them as a weed, but I mean, they paid money for them. It seems odd to me that people would pay money for foxglove. Foxglove's a weed. And we are off. come down here and turn a little bit. There we go. It's good black soil, dark soil anyways. It's got a lot of organic matter in it. I don't need to put any fertilizer in this stuff. It's got a lot of organic matter. Like I said, I wouldn't even be doing this if I would have done my job correctly and covered it up with some cardboard or something, but sometimes life gets ahead of you and you just end up doing things backwards. I got a board right here I'm trying to miss, but I hit it good. I took it out. It's all right. There wasn't a stake in it, so. Let's see if I can get this here. Got some boards I hit. That's all right. I can redo that. All right, we'll just dig this deep. I'm gonna turn the power up a little bit, make some noise. too bad. I'll do some hand raking. Get this board picked up. That should do it. Let's see. Go forward a little bit so I don't hit my fence. There we go. Perfect. Excellent. So, I got this pretty much dug up. Some of these weeds I'll have to get by hand, like this guy, and over there into the gravel, and then rake this down. We'll do that by hand. I got some corn coming up. I threw the rest of my corn in here. That's doing good. All right, let's do some weeding. All right. I got 2 pumpkins right here. I got zucchinis and a cucumber back there. Cucumber's not looking too good. It needs to go out. Probably too hot in there. So I got 2 zucchini right here. These zucchini are going to go across the front here. 2 zucchinis is more than enough zucchini. You can't eat that much zucchini. All right, I'll let you guys know when I have it all planted. All right, here's what we got. I got 2 zucchini in the front, 2 pumpkins in the back. This got pretty well graded. You can see I didn't go all the way over. And I got all the way to the fence line I still need to get to, but I left that door open. I gotta go see if there's deer prints. I don't see any deer prints. Oh. No. I think I got lucky. Doesn't look too bad. Happy with it.